Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So just a very quick video to say thank you very much to everyone that's been watching my videos. The channel has just passed the 1 million view mark. Now what that means is if you tally up all of my videos views in totals, it is over 1 million views, which is absolutely insane. This channel was created on the 3rd of October last year in 2022, and to already have passed the 1 million view mark is incredible. We have 7,000 subscribers in total on this channel. I think it's just over now. So again, that is insane growth in a short 8 months. And I wouldn't have been able to do it without all of your support, all of your likes, all of your shares, all of your comments. I read every single comment. I try to reply to them all. I will eventually reply to them all. But I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's helped support this channel and help it grow. All the shout out videos, I've seen people's Instagrams talking about my channels, I've seen people do Twitter posts about my channel, I've seen TikToks about my channel, I've been watching live streams and I hear people, I'm not even in the live stream, I'm catching up on the live streams and I'm hearing people mention my channel and direct people over. It's absolutely insane the amount of support that people have shown. So I want to say thank you very much, and I'm going to continue to help the smaller channels grow, because don't forget, I was a smaller channel only 8 months ago, and I want to do my bit to help bring up all the other channels. I want to do my bit to get all the smaller channels to a minimum 1,000 subscribers so they can get themselves monetized and actually start making a little bit of money back for their return that they put into their hard work. Because before I started doing this channel, I didn't realize how much actual work it takes to put the videos together, to edit them, to reply to all the comments, to research the topics that you're talking about. And it's actually almost like a second job. I come in from my day job and I spend around 2 to 3 hours every single night working on this channel. So yeah, I really appreciate everyone that's doing the same thing. For those of you that are still sitting on the fence and you're thinking about making a channel, definitely reach out to me. My email address is in all of my videos descriptions. I'm happy to help promote your channel, obviously for free. I'm happy to talk about it. I'm happy to push the videos along. I just want to help everyone rise as quick as we can in this community, and I will always continue doing that. I've said it before, I always prefer watching the smaller YouTube channels. They feel more raw, they're more authentic, they've got no hidden agenda, they're not trying to push that crypto or that stock or that mining gold company or whatever it may be. They're just doing it because they love doing it and it's a hobby. So I'll continue to push up the smaller channels and put my hand down and pull people up, because I want to get as many smaller channels as I can monetized. At the moment, I'm trying to get the Stack Collector to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already checked out his channel, I will leave a link to it in the description of this video. Head over to his channel. He's got a great channel. He puts so much time and effort and research into all his videos, and his backdrop is insane. I'm constantly trying to switch up my backdrop to keep up with him. Got a Groot over here that you can see. I copied that from one of his videos because he is always going above and beyond with his backdrop, and he's putting so much effort into his channel. So please do head over to him. Once I've got him to 1,000 subscribers, I'll start working on other channels. We've already got another channel that we've taken under our wing, and I'll be talking more about that channel once we get the Stack Collector to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm going to continue to do that. Whenever I see these smaller channels that are putting in the effort and they deserve to get more recognition, I'll use the platform that I've already created on this channel to help pull those up with me. So as always, I want to say thank you very much for all the support. Absolutely insane amount of support this channel has received in the last 8 months. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.